This is going to show you how to do a screen recording. I'm actually doing one now, and I find it to be very helpful, whether it's to do a how-to or using it for your students. The first thing that you have to do is open up QuickTime. You can do that by going to the Applications folder, or I prefer going up to the Spotlight and typing in Quick, and there it is, QuickTime Player. Now after you type it in, you go up to the top and you go to File, New Screen Recording. Now it's grayed out for me right now because I'm using this program to make this recording. But when you go to it, it wouldn't be grayed out, and you would click on New Screen Recording. After you click on it, this will come up. Okay, it looks like this. You can't see it on my screen without the screenshot, but it'll say New Screen Recording, and this will move back and forth based on your voice, so you can test that beforehand. If you talk into your laptop or your computer or your external microphone, whatever you like to use, this will be moving back and forth. If it's not moving back and forth, that means you're going to have to check your microphone settings. Sometimes it doesn't work even though you have a microphone set up, and to change your microphone settings you click this little drop down arrow here. I don't have a screenshot for it, but they'll give you a drop down list, and it will say maybe your external microphone, or it'll say the built-in microphone, so you might have to select built-in microphone. After you've tested your voice and made sure your microphone is on, you can hit record. It will also ask you whether or not you would like to take a screen recording of the entire screen or just a portion of it. So right now you can see my big messy desktop, but you can also take a portion of just part of the screen. So that's up to you. It usually says click to take a picture or to take a screen recording of the entire screen if you'd like, or drag the box where you want to record. After you're finished recording, you can hit stop, which will be right here. Instead of the red dot, it will be a square, and you can hit that. There's also a shortcut to doing that, which I forget off the top of my head, but you can just click stop. I find it to be very helpful to do screen recordings for my staff and for my students. I have a lot of students who leave for orchestra or band or are just returning back, and they come in and they say, "What are we doing?" Well, I tell them to go into their grade level folder and watch the movie. It goes over everything. I also find it extremely helpful to use for substitutes. Instead of leaving hugely detailed descriptions, I can tell the substitute to have the students go into their grade level folder and watch the movie, that it will go over step by step. Also, a lot of our projects are very much many steps, and it's hard for the students to remember, so this is a great way of being a nice reminder for them, and you don't have to go crazy going over all the steps again.